So about once a day I hear on the scanner about, you know, catalytic converters getting stolen. Sometimes I don't remember words when the camera's rolling. And I'm like, how do these meth heads get these catalytic converters off? It's so loud. So we got this tool here. It's supposed to be a pipe cutter. Harbor Freight, about 30 bucks. Just looks like one of those little, it's got little wheels on it. Looks like it just cuts through the pipe like those little cutters would around you'd use for plumbing or something. So the name brand or whatever is what, like 90?
90 bucks, yeah.
Yeah, so this was 30. We'll see how it does. Because I don't think the druggies are probably spending 90 bucks, but I guess on the return you get from catalytic converters, maybe. So we'll just open this up, try it out, and we got this fine car over here we're going to cut off that you saw in one of my videos. And get it out of the package without breaking it. Alright, there it is. Okay, so cardboard to lay on our Harbor Freight $30 tool here, and we're hoping that we do as good a job as the meth heads do on cutting these things off with something quiet, and it's easier than getting the sawzall up in here. But we're gonna try it, and I'm gonna get pretty muddy, I think, if I fit under here.
Let's see if I can get a better view over here as you go.
So if anybody knows any meth heads that can show us how to use this.
And fit under the car better than we do.
Yeah, which they probably do.
The next video is going to be comparing different sawzall blades.
So, okay, so now what do I do? Just that?
Yeah, what I'm... Are you cutting through?
Doesn't appear so.
Thanks for the instructions, Harbor Freight.
Or do I go like, get it tight around there and twist it?
Yeah, maybe try that.
That would be more like the thing for transmission lines and whatnot, brake lines. Go through somewhere. Ain't doing shit.
Should we watch a video?
Yes.
Okay, we're back under the car now after watching a guy on YouTube who conveniently showed how to use the thing sitting at a table so you don't run into any of the problems that you run into under a car. Thanks, jackass. Luckily, I found an even wetter spot to lay on while I try to film this. And now, back to Joe. Were you cutting?
I'm making a nice line. Don't see any cutting going on. Serenity now. Just where is this extra supposed to go? To where you can get this in here to snap it in.
On the video, it seems
To just
fall into the right place.
Sawzall.